Good morning, everyone. I am Mika Esbaldes. I would like to discuss to you the book that I choose. The name of this book is The Rain in España by Goy Saludes. In a novel ni Goy Saludes, may ada iniya inspirasyon ng experience bago ininiya nasurat. Ang inspirasyon niya ang duha na couple na eskwela ha university ngan habang nagsusurat inihiya na novel maoran adto ngan mabaha. Asya ito gintitle niya na The Rain in España. Introduction, an updated version of the novel that published on October 7, 2020. In a novel na ginsurat ni Gray, ginpublish niya on October 7, 2020. Upod na gadto ang iya series kumbaga gindungan hirap pag-upload. This is a work of fictions, 10 romantic drama university series, future, characters, business, by Gray Saludes. Gray usaya nga estudyante o sana university, and then may adahiyan na isip na fiction about mga teenager. Ang ito nga nagsurat hiya in novel na about love and future. Of lesson, and then this book is about love, friendship, goal, and being independent. Kaya nagustuhan ko iniya nga book because inihiya na novel. May adahiya aral na matutunan about haim mo self, then haim mo friends, loved ones, ngan family, and then the future. Summary. Their thought crossed on a rainy afternoon, then the heartfelt tale of love adventure. An era blandas nagkita era rainy season, kumbaga nagkabungguay hira hausan ng lugar, tapos maoran, and then nagka-spark kadto na time. Kumbaga, an era chapter ha kinabuhi bagan gin pag-cross yung tadhana. This story novels revolves around Calix and Luna to show the kind of love that enduring to create tensions and willingness are always finding place to communicate to each other. Ang intention ini ng novel, ginpapakita ini ha mga teenager na diri lahalab, umiikot it kinabuhi, para lat ini ha imo self and then the future. Main characters, Calix Chase Martinez, word, pure heart, kay habang nagiinom ni Rahadorn, hiyala ang diri nakikisama, katapos pag nakikita niya hilunang nga danahiya na upod ha iya mga barkada. Lucy Natasha Valeria Luna. He was the one who made the way to fulfill Calix's dream. Nakipag-break hiya kay Calix para matupadan iya pangarap na maging attorney. Ang Maureen Vera, alcoholic, funny, and supportive best friend of Luna. Kumbaga, matalik niya na sangkay na permiging papayuhan ni Luna, kundi rin na asya ang iyaging bubuhat ha iya sarili. Sebastian Vincent Camiro. Humble, but he was the one who told Calix to be strong and be true to himself. Hiya ang nagpakusog kan Calix han time na waray hiya sarili hi Calix, kumbaga, hiya ang tumayo na parents para kan Calix. Time and message. Calix and Luna are struggle with their past relationship, trauma in family, and business. Kumbaga, nagsasaramok na, agihin era mga problema. Problemahan era relation, nganhan era family, nganha business. Kay namatayan man hira, asya ito nag-struggle hirahin duro. When the rain stops, the plane will land as we chase in the wild in the yesterday escape. Ang dati na oran na punuhit sakit, na kalungkutan, yan na, pununahin pagmamahal. Ito na yesterday escape, kumbaga, nakatakas na ira, handilubyo, hanira, nakaraan. Calix waited Luna. 14 years, Calix love are true love. Kaya sinabi na true love, kay Calix, pure heart man hinduro. Tas kaya niya maghulat, bispira pa ka years, para labumalik hira, ha dati ni Luna. Yakan pa man ni Calix, I can see myself with anyone else, but you, Luna. Ha conclusion, naranasan ni Ira ang joy and pain han era past love story and then ang paglipas han pira ka years nagbalik hira nga duwa. As siya ito ang ending is happy ending. Kunbaga, kipapaghiwalay ani hira pira ka years para makilala nira ang ira sarili.